To connect thermostats to the terminals of the controller, a 2 or 4 wire cable with a minimum cross-section of 0.5 millimeters squared is required. Connect the Xtherm 30P thermostats to the inputs marked as T1, T2, T3 up to T8. Connect the Xtherm 60P thermostats to the inputs marked as G1 and G2.